Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's SOP update for Sunday, 26th of June. And we're doing incredible, okay? We're doing really, really good from the last time that I've been talking about SOP. Probably it's still looking to go to its destination, okay? We're looking to actually make it to the destination, and that destination is destination north, okay? So we're moving from the South Pole, going to the North Pole. But the thing is, you can have a little bit of resistance at the 480. I just want to see how the weekly is going to look like now. And the weekly, boom, you're really putting a very bullish pattern right now, and that's probably a bullish engulfing. And I'm expecting next week to actually go to the upside here to 470 or 480. But let me tell you, keep in mind, you do have a weekly resistance near this place, okay, which is going to be uh, up here to 514, and that will be the end of shape pump to the upside, because this is nonetheless some sort of a bearish pattern, and it's some sort of a bearish rectangle, okay? So it could be that you're still breaking out and going back for the retest. As soon as you do this, the new month starts, and from the new month you actually start to roll to the downside. And the technical target for that one could I can easily say that you're looking for from there to there and come down all the way to the 144, because of the nature of how you might not cross the bearish rectangle. So keep that in mind. As long as you're in profit, I would even say that if someone gets their profit here, 499, just take the money, okay? Pay yourself a little bit, okay? You must be paying yourself in here somehow. But before we actually even dump to the downside, I don't see any dumps at the moment, okay? At least for 5 days, no, I don't see that. So for me, SLP is doing an incredible job right now. It's following the EMAs. It's like it wants to make a, not like it wants to, but it already has made a bullish cross here on a 4-hour time frame, okay? So it's actually bouncing off the 10, and the 10 is actually moving as a big support. And I think this is an amazing entry to sell it out at 480. Perhaps it can actually go a little bit higher, maybe to this line here, maybe the 505, and then boom, get rejected and go to the downside. But the technical target nonetheless is 480. And that's it for today's SLP update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.